Let's check out the inside. Come on in. This is a really big, spacious kitchen. I wanted to make sure you had a chance to take a look at it. You've got this beautiful stone countertop right here. It goes all the way through with an incredible island. You can sit a lot of people here, probably one of the bigger islands I've seen here in Wellesley. It's absolutely stunning. And I don't know if you can see it, but you've got a really nice sink over here and a propane stove top with a beautiful oven underneath it as well. And just great space. This house has 10 rooms in total with 4 bedrooms and 4.5 baths, a tremendous amount of space, and just waiting for the next owner. It's really a beautiful property. Come on, check it out.